Hi. Sew this simple yet eye-catching strapless bodycon dress with me. It's a versatile piece. Style it in a sporty way with sneakers, or dress it up with a blazer for a more elegant look. The pattern, available on my Etsy, comes in sizes XS through XXL, includes height options for a better fit, and offers 3 lengths: Mini, Midi, and Maxi. Follow along step by step and create your own dress. And don't forget to tag kstn.studio. I love seeing your makes and your unique interpretations. If you have any questions, leave a comment or message me on social media. Links are in the description. Before you start sewing, I recommend reinforcing the slit areas marked on the pattern with stabilizing tape. This will help prevent the knit fabric from stretching and wavering while hemming. If you don't have stabilizing tape, be careful not to pull the fabric while hemming the slits. Instead, gently feed the knit under the presser foot. Slightly easing the fabric in will help minimize any waviness. In this step, finish the raw edges on the overlock. Overlock the top edge and the slit edges on both the front and the back dress pieces, just as shown in the video. Fold the back facing according to the notches on the pattern and secure it with a narrow stitch to stabilize it. Next, place the back dress piece onto the front piece at the dart area and secure it as shown in the video. Make sure the dress aligns perfectly with the edge of the dart so that the seam line stays straight. Press the dart upward. Repeat this step on the other side. Overlock all raw edges, stopping at the slit for the leg. Hem the edges at the leg slit. I recommend using a specialized presser foot to achieve an even and neat stitch. At the top of the slit, make a small cut into the overlock seam allowance to help it lay flat. Be careful not to cut too deep and damage the seam. As you may notice, I'm gently pressing the presser foot down with my finger. Sometimes, when sewing knits, the machine can skip a stitch if the fabric isn't held firmly enough. This extra pressure helps the machine catch the stitch properly and sew evenly. If you don't have a specialized machine for hemming knits, I recommend applying and pressing stabilizing tape along the hem before sewing. This will help prevent the dress from wavering and make working with knit fabric much easier. If you don't have stabilizing tape, remember to gently ease the knit fabric under the presser foot and avoid stretching it while sewing. That's it. You've just sewn your own strapless bodycon dress. Quick, easy, and full of styling possibilities. Pair it with a bag from my sewing patterns and impress everyone with your new look.